Good afternoon, this is teacher David, and today we will discover and start a new content which is called adverbs. They belong to parts of speech. Let's see what they are. They are versatile words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, and they provide crucial details about manner, time, place, frequency, or degree. You need to know that there are types of adverbs, as I mentioned before, adverbs of manner, frequency, time, place, or degree. But today we will focus on adverbs of manner. Let's see what they mean. An adverb of manner describes how an action is performed or how something happens. Okay? And most of them end with "ly" at the end of an adjective. And there are some exceptions like well, fast, and hard. They are exceptions because we need to memorize them to use them properly because they are written as if they were adjectives, but they are adverbs, but they are exceptions. That's why we need to memorize them so that we can use them in the right way. We have some examples: clearly, quickly, enthusiastically, and politely. Also, we have some usage examples. The boys ran quickly. The boys ran is the basic sentence, and quickly is the detail, how they ran. So, quickly could be different, could be slowly, could be cheerily. So it could change depending on the context. And the nurse asked me to leave the room quietly. Quietly means in silence. And where are adverbs placed in a sentence? Well, they are placed in three positions. We need to understand the first one. Adverbs of manner normally come after the verb. He spoke angrily. Spoke is the verb. So we need to write the adverb after the verb. He spoke angrily. If it were angry, it will be mistaken because angry is an adjective, and adjective an adjective modifies a noun. Let's see the second way. After the object. He opened the door quietly. We need to review the parts of the sentence. He is the subject, opened is the verb in a past tense, the door is the object. That's why it's after the object. And finally, we have the literary usage, and we have some examples. Let's see the rule. Sometimes an adverb of manner is placed before a verb plus object to add emphasis. We have some examples. He gently woke the sleeping woman. It means that she was sleeping and he gently woke her. But you can see the difference. In the previous rule, it said that the adverb has to be after the verb, and here it is before. But this is because of literally usage. And she angrily slammed the door. Slammed is the verb, which is closing the door heavily, strongly, in this case angrily. It is before, and it is very common to hear people saying this in a normal conversation because this is the language and it is okay. So if I had more time, I will give you more example, but time is up. And thank you for watching and blessings.